how to post multiple pictures on Instagram without cropping. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically post multiple pictures on Instagram and you guys don't need to crop out anything. Simply open up Instagram, then click at the bottom, and then after that choose any picture that you guys want to upload. Now most probably this picture is gonna be uploaded like this. So over here, when you guys select multiple pictures, your pictures might just be cropped out. So to fix that, just simply choose one picture in the start, and then after that click on the center left. Those arrows are gonna crop out the pictures, and then after that click on the option to select multiple pictures. Now when you guys select multiple pictures, none of your pictures are gonna be cropped, and now all these pictures are gonna be uploaded as they are and not cropped. So guys, that is how you guys can basically upload multiple pictures onto Instagram without cropping. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.